Pizza Party. Originally published on November 26, 2019, spoken word added November 2021. My dad turned 60 this year in early November, and I was in search of a birthday gift to show him I cared. I prefer to gift experiences and or consumables rather than items that tend to collect and potentially go unused more often than not. For breakfast on the 3rd of November, my dad requested freshly made arepas, hyperlink, with hot sauce, honey, and jalapeno jelly, sauteed mushrooms, and a hard-boiled egg. Although I did not take a picture, I remember breakfast to be tasty, and I hope my dad would report the same. My dad and I had leftover mushrooms and decided to have a pizza party. I specialize in dairy-free, gluten-free, hyperlinks, and soy-free pizza parties, and my dad was kind enough to get excited about enjoying my way of eating so that we could party together. When in the mood for pizza, I prefer to make it at home. Everything made at home just simply tastes better to me than what can be purchased out in the community. I feel it's the extra love, attention to quality of ingredients, and attention to detail that is difficult for the community to provide. Choosing to have a pizza party at home does not have to be difficult with the addition of quality convenience products available these days. Of course, making and baking from scratch would always be the healthiest way to go, but sometimes one just needs to take the easy way out. Without further ado, I introduce to you my convenient pizza party. Personal chef turned blogger, one of my favorite recipes is now yours. 1. Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, 6, ta-da! Enjoy. Do you prefer meals made in a home environment? Are you in the mood for a pizza party? I am. Do you desire to try my favorite thin crust pizza and thick crust pizza? 2 hyperlinks. Would a variety of delicious mushrooms by J. Michael, hyperlink, be a nice addition to your pizza party? Have you sampled Follow Your Heart vegan cheeses yet? Hyperlink. May the kitchen be the art room where you create edible masterpieces that literally become you in those you choose to serve. I hope your pizza parties are always filled with delicious ingredients, great company, and lots of love. Bon appetit! Did this expression add value to your life? Consider donating to support and buying a symbolic cup of coffee. Hyperlink. Thank you in advance for your contribution and generosity. Peace, love, and everlasting protection. Namaste. I'm Maggie Feckety, nutritionist, experienced registered yoga teacher, certified health coach, and board-certified holistic health practitioner. If you'd like to learn more about my background and offerings, there are 2 additional links for you here. And bye for now. Au revoir. For the full 8-minute expression, which includes the recipe, visit the Insight Room at theguestbungalow.com.